Hey, this is Dave again. Sorry it's been a while since the last video. With this public health care crisis, I have been busy making videos for that 501c3 I've mentioned in some of my previous videos. And so, since my last video I've put out, I don't know how many hours of video for the 501c3. It's been a lot. So that has cramped my ability to do anything else. But now I have a problem, and I'm hoping some genius out there can see this and help me with it. I am running OBS 25.0.1 on a Ubuntu 18.04 platform. I have an Nvidia card, and I am not using NVENC to do my encoding. You see, I've used the encoder Sofware X264 instead of NVENC, because every time I try to use NVENC, it throws an error. But that's not the problem I'm trying to solve. Well, I was trying to figure out how I could capture that settings box and show you the process. I'll just have to describe it to you. So here's my settings box, and if I change anything here, and then I'll hit apply or OK, then it will crash. Doesn't matter which screen it's on. Enter my YouTube stream key. Come here and change the encoder. Doesn't matter what setting I adjust, it will cause it to crash. Hit apply and down it goes, or OK, either one. And this is what causes OBS to crash. It just quits right in the middle of it. Now, it does preserve the video, but it crashes. And I'm hoping that there's someone out there that knows what's going on and can help me solve this problem. I've done some searching and I cannot find the answer. So if you got any ideas for me, please jump in and give me some comments, because right now I'm really stumped. Short video with a problem for you today. Hope you have some solutions. Thanks.